Did you know that approximately 4.5 million people in the US are living with liver disease? Hello there, and welcome back to our channel. The liver is a vital organ in the body. It undertakes numerous roles, such as serving as an air filter, a chemical detoxifier, and an energy reservoir. It tirelessly operates just to ensure your body receives essential nutrients while shielding you from the toxins encountered throughout the day. Additionally, it plays a crucial role in synthesizing proteins necessary for blood clotting. Indeed, its significance is truly irreplaceable. In this video, we'll explore the impact of various foods on your liver health, discussing potential threats posed by unhealthy food. Here's a list of 10 foods to steer clear of if you aim for a healthy liver. Number 1. Fried foods. Fried foods can strain your liver, hindering its primary role of breaking down nutrients. An excess of fats, typical in fried and high-fat items, may lead to fatty liver, causing swelling and scarring that permanently impairs the organ's nutrient filtering capability. Opting for healthier cooking methods, like sautéing in coconut oil or boiling in the oven, can be alternatives to frying and contribute to better liver health. Number 2. Packaged snacks. Opt for a nutritious snack over packaged foods when cravings strike. Chips and baked goods are often packed with unhealthy amounts of sugar, salt, and fat. The high sodium content in these foods can result in fluid retention in the liver, impeding its function. Processed foods frequently contain trans fatty acids, fostering fibrosis and the replacement of damaged liver cells with scar tissue. Fibrosis poses risks of severe complications, including cirrhosis or liver cancer. A beneficial approach is to carry healthy snacks like apples to satisfy hunger and promote better liver health. Number 3. Red meat. Red meat may be bad for your liver, particularly if you're dealing with a severe liver condition such as cirrhosis or hepatitis. This variety of meat raises significant concerns. Saturated fats and other components in red meat can contribute to the development of non-alcoholic liver disease over time. The metabolism of red meat imposes a considerable burden on the liver due to its complex proteins and fats. Research indicates that overweight individuals who consume substantial amounts of animal protein face a heightened risk of fatty liver compared to those who do not. Number 4. Sugar. Although it's a fact that your body desires sugar, an excess of it can negatively impact your liver. Consuming too much sugar can lead to obesity and diabetes, both of which are risk factors for fatty liver disease. Numerous studies have correlated reduced sugar intake with liver health and the prevention of fatty liver disease. Sugar breaks down into fructose, and any surplus fructose is stored as fat. Excessive sugar results in an abundance of fat in the liver, escalating the risk to your liver. Sugar is concealed in processed foods such as cookies, cereal, cake, juice, and soda. Hidden sugar might also be present in salad dressing and ketchup. Always check the sugar content on the bottle before purchasing these items. While the natural sugars in certain foods are acceptable to your liver, it's advisable to consume them in moderation. Number 5. Canned goods. The prevalence of sodium in canned goods is widely known. While sodium serves a dual purpose of preserving the food and enhancing its flavor, the elevated levels of sodium can result in fibrosis, marking the initial phase of liver tissue scarring. Furthermore, it's crucial to recognize that certain canned products may harbor additional harmful ingredients, making it advisable to refrain from consuming them regularly. The cumulative effect of high sodium content and potentially detrimental additives in canned goods underscores the importance of making mindful choices for the overall health of your liver. Number 6. Sodas. The high fructose corn syrup content in sodas poses a significant threat to your liver. High fructose corn syrup is considered one of the most detrimental substances for your liver's well-being. Even when sodas are sweetened with sugar instead, the impact remains adverse. Your liver plays a crucial role in converting sugar into fat, and an excess intake of any sweetener can result in an overproduction of fat. This surplus fat accumulation becomes a catalyst for the development of fatty liver disease, a condition fraught with danger and the potential for severe complications. Recognizing the detrimental effects of excessive sweeteners on the liver emphasizes the importance of moderation and informed choices when it comes to soda consumption. Number 7. Fast food. Indulging in your preferred fast food option can turn into a dietary double-edged sword, combining the pitfalls of both carbohydrates and fats. The high presence of refined carbohydrates in such meals contributes to the onset of fatty liver disease. These refined carbs trigger a substantial surge in blood glucose levels, prompting a significant release of insulin. This insulin influx, while intended to regulate blood sugar, inadvertently promotes the deposition of fat in the liver. Simultaneously, the high fat content in fast foods can exacerbate health concerns by elevating bad cholesterol levels while diminishing the levels of the beneficial kind. Opting for greasy cheeseburgers and similar high-fat fast food items is not conducive to your liver health, underlining the importance of making informed and health-conscious dietary choices. Number 8. Excessive salt. Anything that is too much is dangerous. While salt is commonly associated with elevated blood sugar, its negative impact extends beyond the cardiovascular system. Recent research indicates that an excessive salt-rich diet can result in liver scarring. Fortunately, the presence of antioxidants such as vitamin C can mitigate this damage. It is advisable to steer clear of high-sodium foods and introduce new items into your diet, favoring fresh vegetables over canned alternatives. Consider substituting herbs for salt during cooking and refrain from keeping the salt shaker on the table. Number 9. Raisins. Despite their perceived health benefits, raisins can have counterproductive effects when consumed in excessive quantities. While they are a source of certain nutrients, such as fiber and antioxidants, it's essential to be mindful of their high sugar, preservative, and calorie content. Consuming an excess of raisins can lead to inflammation of the liver lining. Although raisins might be considered a healthier alternative to sugar snacks like a bowl of Skittles, moderation is key. Including small amounts of raisins in your diet can contribute to their positive aspects without the potential drawbacks associated with overconsumption. As with any food, balance and portion control play crucial roles in maintaining a well-rounded and healthy diet. Number 10. Alcohol. This stands out as the most obvious on our list. Typically, your liver processes about one standard drink, equivalent to 10 to 15 grams of alcohol within an hour. However, exceeding these limits and doing so frequently puts your liver at risk of accumulating fat deposits, a condition known as alcoholic fatty liver disease. The symptoms of this condition may not manifest clearly, requiring detection by a medical professional through methods like blood tests or biopsy. Alcohol consumption can also accelerate the progression of pre-existing liver diseases. Given that one of the liver's role is to metabolize alcohol, persistent drinking with existing liver damage hampers effective alcohol metabolism, exacerbating liver damage. Prolonged and excessive alcohol intake can lead to the progression of fatty liver disease into more severe complications such as alcohol hepatitis and cirrhosis. Safeguarding your liver health is crucial for overall well-being. By steering clear of the 10 foods we discussed, you can take a proactive approach to maintaining a healthy liver. Remember, your liver plays a vital role in filtering out toxins, processing nutrients, and ensuring your body functions optimally. Prioritizing a liver-friendly diet can contribute to long-term health benefits. Now, let's wrap up this insightful discussion on the foods to avoid for a healthy liver. Thank you for joining us today on Health and Wellness and Above. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. For more health tips and insightful content, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, leave a comment down below. Here's to making informed choices for a healthier you. Until next time, stay well and take care.